Peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 4.1 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1, and this is a statistics question dealing with stats about various populations, especially in Venezuela. It says, plastic surgery is a growing industry. Survey was conducted in South America in 2014, and the following information was reported in an article on statista.com. It says 8 out of every 1,000 Venezuelans had experienced some form of plastic surgery operation by 2014, propelling them to the top of the plastic industry popularity league. So in 4.1.1, they say complete the following statement. 1 in every what people have plastic surgery procedures in Venezuela. So they've told us, so this is for 4.1.1, they've told us that it's 8 to 1,000 have had some sort of plastic surgery. So now we need to find out what its 1 is to. So to get this 8 to 1, we need to divide by 8, but then we also need to divide by 8 on the other side. So this is going to equal, so it will be 1 is to, so 1,000 divided by 8 on your calculator is 125. So then therefore your answer is 125. So basically it's 1 in every 125 people have plastic surgery. Then in the next question it says, if the number of Venezuelans having plastic surgery increased by 38% in 2014, determine the number of Venezuelans per 1,000 who experience plastic surgery in 2014. So remember in 2013 they said it was 8 in 1,000 and it increased by 38%. So we need to find out first of all what that increase was. So for 4.1.2 the increase was 38%, so that means it was 8 multiplied by the 38%. So it will be 38% in your calculators, or 38 out of 100. So you divide by 100 to convert to percentage. And this comes to 3,04. So now we need to add the increase to last year's total. So then therefore for 2014 it's going to be 8 from 2013 plus the increase. So it's plus 3,04, which equals 11,04, and we just need to round this number down because you can't have a 0,4 of a person. So this is approximately 11. So therefore the answer is 11 per 1,000 in 2014. So that's the final answer for that, and that concludes this question, nice and short. So before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.